So FilterPixel loads up, and the first thing we want to do is create a new project, which we can do by clicking this plus icon here or just doing a drag and drop of the folder we want. But in my case, I'm just going to open that, and I'm going to open this portrait session here, and we have the option to let the software know that it's a set of portraits, weddings, family shoot, event or other. So it's portraits, so all I need to do is click start now. And one of the first things I dig about this software is just how quickly these thumbnails are populated into the screen. If you guys have used Lightroom for culling before and you have to render your previews before you can start your cull, that is just such a waste of time, whereas straight away these previews are being pulled directly from the embedded JPEG in the raw file. So it's a big time saver.